Philadelphia production today because we want to produce all the food if we can deliver it. See, coming down lights though. This guy is the pink. It's 8 o'clock. February 10th, 2010. As I walk through the freezing, actually not so cold, but very blizzardy New York. It's my first blizzard, definitely first documented blizzard. Corner of Brooklyn. Show you the icicles on the sign. Madison Parkway. We got red lights, we got cars. Got a shitload of shit going on. It's just got a bit crazy. There. Nice. Beautiful. Look at that smile. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit. She's crazy. Oh.
4:20. It is 4:20, and let's see. The corner is Yost Dominic. Oh, don't start turning the pages. You know you were on page 3. We saw.
It's like just videotape yourself while you're
Flip it quickly.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, it's on a video. How's that?
What are you doing? Play it name. What are you doing? I don't understand. Cutting outside the lines? Did you get permission for this beforehand?
Yes, I did.
You asked?
Yes.
What? How did you get such special permission to do this? No, it's so close, right? Come on, you can do it. Get it out. You need some help there?
No,
Give me a plate. Yeah.